Chosen one, is it like pulling teeth to get this person to see your value? Is it like pulling teeth to get this person to even come spend a couple hours with you when you would dedicate a whole day for them, and they can't even dedicate? Well, guess what? If it's like pulling teeth to get them to see your way, let me be the dentist and pull their ass right out of your life. Because guess what? If you have to put in all this energetic potential that you could be using to manifest your own dreams and your own desires, why are you wasting it on some egg-sucking piece of gutter trash that wouldn't even show you the same, wouldn't even reciprocate the energy? Ask yourself the question. Look in the mirror, not the black mirror that we're talking through. I'm talking about look in the mirror, the crystal clear mirror. Feel me? And ask yourself the question. Are you wasting your time, your energetic potential, and your money, your resources? Are you wasting it? And if the answer is a yes or a maybe or a I don't know, then you know what your answer is and what you must do. You feel me? Oh yeah, they about to be butthurt because guess what? I'm make sure I'm pulling their ass right out. If it's like pulling teeth to get them to see your true potential, get them up out of there. Feel me? Let Dr. Nasty be the one that handles it for you. Because I'm coming with the message that's proclaimed from God's mouth through. I'm coming with the message that's from God through my mouth to your ears. Right now, I wouldn't be on this screen if I didn't go through these things myself, chosen ones, for real. I felt like it was pulling teeth for me to get somebody to see my potential at points in time in my life when I dated some old peon chicks that couldn't even realize who they were with, or you know what I'm saying? Maybe I wasn't even fully ready, so I'm not gonna put the blame on them. But you know what I'm saying, chosen one? You know exactly what I'm saying. If you feel like you have to go through a whole freaking teeth pulling ceremony just to get this person to just show you a little ounce of love, you gotta go through mad pain just to have a little bit of like a little like, come on, man. What psychological sense does that make, player? Player, it don't make none at all. So do yourself the favor and take heed to the message. And like I said, if it feels like pulling a teeth, get them the hell out. One love.